So I'll just read the case once again so that you get an idea, and then in chat box you can give your totality. Last time also we have said that don't give one rubric, make a totality and give the totality and the medicine, because one rubric timidity will not really work. Huh? So form a totality, take a paper and a pen, write down what you have observed in the child. I'm reading the case again. What is your name? Patient look down. Father, he has this problem of cough since last 3 years, gets accumulated, and then he stops eating. 3 times we have admitted him for the same problem. From when? Since he was 2 years old. Then the mother said cold cough, difficulty in breathing, chest congestion. Last week also we have got him admitted. I asked, what do you do? We give antibiotics and inhalers, but if it is more, then we get him admitted. They had come after reading an article in newspaper. If he goes to school, there he plays with other kids, and every month he's keep falling sick. Doctor said that immunity power is low. Is there any change in his behavior when he falls sick? He gets very quiet and eat less. One more observation, that before falling ill, the thumb sucking or putting his fingers into the mouth, it increases. Moment I was looking at the child was looking down and he was not responding. If there are guests at home, how does he react? एक दो दिन शांत रहता है, शाय रहता है, फिर नॉर्मल हो जाता है. I asked, एक दो दिन? नहीं, only with new people, but with relatives he mixes. He will hide and see, he will go from side side. Tell me about his nature. He's not angry type. He's shy, smiles करता है, हंसता है, always smiling kind of baby है, and he will not mix easily, takes time. शांत है, कहना मानता है, he obeys. I asked him anything on which he troubles. He said only when he had started going to school. Okay. And then I asked, how is he in study? He said good, and his grasping power is also nice. Now I'm going to the chat box to see what is the totality. Looking down when looked at, agaricus. Okay. Fear, stranger, timidity, public about appearing in, yielding disposition, silica, natrimure, look, evading the person. Okay. Please totality and remedy साथ में लिखिए. Timidity ailments from child evading the look, fear of strangers, timidity, bashful, hide, desire to, yielding disposition, silica. Okay. So silica, a lot of people have said. I'm waiting for totality. Fear strangers of, yielding disposition, evading look, cuprum. Okay. Look, can't bear, fear strangers, timidity, hiding himself, paraita. Okay. Timidity, shy, playful, hide and seek with doctor. Okay. Hide and seek with Dr. Nikita. Okay. Belladonna, maybe she's thinking. In I always say this, and especially in pediatric cases, never make, you have to join all your observation. एक observation की वो नीचे देख रहा था और agaricus है, या फिर वो सिर्फ एक ऑब्जर्वेशन से यू शुड नेवर गो टू अ रेमेडी. अगर बाकी सब डॉट्स जो आपको पीडियाट्रिक केस में दिख रहे हैं वो भी एक दूसरे से मैच करते हैं, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल लोग बोल रहे हैं इवेडिंग है या टिमिडिटी है या फियर है, that we have to differentiate, because all this comes very close, and if we understand why the child is doing it, what the child is doing, why the child is doing, and how the child is doing, and then you match, and if it matches with the totality of the drug, then you are done. Otherwise, अगर हर बच्चा जो विस्पर कर रहा है वो सिलिशिया नहीं होगा और हर बच्चा जो नीचे देख रहा है वो agaricus नहीं होगा, right? So I'm not saying this is agaricus or not agaricus, but the point is, don't, because we know few rubrics and we just put one rubric and we say okay this, it should meet the totality. पूरा केस उस आपके जो 4-5 rubric में फिट होना चाहिए. Look, evading. Okay. Timid, chilly, shy, clinging. Rekha, what remedy you are thinking of? Cilicia and okay. स्टैम्प कौन सी दवाई है? निलोफर, स्ट्रेमोनियम, ओके, हाँ हाँ. Anybody else? And otherwise we'll go on rubrics. So Cilicia, Lycopodium, Natromure, Stramonium, Baryta. I think maximum people are with Cilicia. Cuprum is also coming very close. So should I go to the rubrics?
एक मिनट रुक.
अच्छा. Ambra gricia, fear strangers of, timidity, public appear, hide desire to, just thinking about Ambra. Okay. You know, like I was saying, कि timidity, bashful में बहुत सारी remedies, I think 50 या कुछ ज़्यादा हैं. तो you have to understand the timidity of each remedy. Then you will be able to understand this child or any other child who is timidity. Why pulsatilla is timid or why calcarea is timid or ambra gricia का timidity किस बात को लेकर है? या like for example, I'll give of ambra that ambra has कुछ चीज को लेकर disgust होता है and then they want to hide. For example, stools, they don't want to pass in front of others and then they hide. So the and cuprum, why cuprum is irritable? So cuprum में बाकी चीजें भी मिलेंगी आपको, domination of cuprum or the cuprum's obstinacy alternating with mildness, or he wants to be, so there has to be other threads in the case which makes you to, सिर्फ in this case what is peculiar, what is very very peculiar except timidity? All of you are on a right track, but what we are missing is we are missing to join the link in the case, and that is why we tend to not. Yeah, sucking before the fever is peculiar. Gestures is very peculiar. So what are the gestures in this case is, first of all, one thing is very sure we all agree that the child is timid and the child is shy. And one thing also, he's awkward. Uska body movement देखिए, वो कैसे मुंह कर रहा है. So he is awkward. So there is one more rubric, that awkwardness, bashfulness from. मतलब because of timidity, because of bashfulness, our body movements, our mouth movements, shows that हम लोग awkward feel कर रहे हैं. So you can take that rubric also in this case. Yes, clingy. Clingy to what, Aishwarya? What he's clinging to? Furniture, yes. See, we all are coming to the same totality now. He's clinging to the furniture. वो बच्चा straight नहीं बैठा, वो अपनी टेबल को ऐसे पकड़ के ही बैठा है, जो टेबल होती है डॉक्टर एंड उसके बीच में. So yes, see, we all coming. Observations also we can find this remedy. So he's clinging to furniture. He's timid and bashful. He's awkward because of bashfulness. And one more thing, and the case is done. Yes, fear strangers off. What he does in front of strangers, he hides. And then the case, everybody, I think you all come to it. So in the same way, the way we did over here, you have to join all the dots and the case is done. There will be no confusion at all. So timidity, bashful, hides in front of the strangers, and clinging to furniture. You will come to only one remedy, and that is Baraita Ka. So I'll come to the So timidity, bashful, hiding himself, children. वो जो clinic पे भी जब मैं I was talking to him, what he was doing is he's pulling his t-shirt and he's trying to hide, you know, in his own clothes. That was also hiding. So hiding himself, children. Visitors laugh at them. Awkward bashfulness from unobserving. अभी जितनी देर भी हम उससे बात कर रहे हैं, he is not observant, he is not attentive. So unobserving, spoken to when. Timidity, children in. Strangers, presence of strangers aggravate. Clinging furniture to. Quiet है. Yielding है, कहना मानता है. Gestures make fingers, children put fingers in the mouth. Parents said कि जल्दी समझ जाता है कुछ भी. Comprehension easy. Hiding himself, children, strangers from. Or he is not able to bear the look that we are giving it to him because of that timidity. So looked at cannot bear to be looked at. The medicine that was given is Baraita Ka 30. Am I clear? Yes, it's Baraita. And one thing is very classic in this. When I asked, I understood that the child is timid and shy and not talking to me. So what remedies normally come is Calcarea, Baraita, Lycopodium, Silica. But what is very, very peculiar in Baraita usually is when guests are there at home, what he said, 1-2 days he would take. I asked 1-2 days. For them it was normal. He said, 1-2 divas last to mag normal hoto. 1-2 days he's shy and then he gets normal. And I asked him 1-2 days. He said, if there are strangers at home, वो छुप जाता है और छुप के देखता है. This is very, very classic of Baraita. In clinic, I have so many patients who hide behind the mother. That is also single rubric of Baraita, hiding himself behind mother. Mother can be anybody, Papa B, anybody who has come to the clinic with the child. Or the child, I had a case where the child used to hide with the face and looking in between. Am I visible to others? I'm showing. तो वो क्या करता है, ऐसे हाथ से अपना चेहरा छुपा लेता है और between the fingers देखता है. तो in the same way, actually वैसी ही hiding है कि वो उन्होंने क्या बोला, छुप छुप के देखता है, लपुन लपुन बकतू. So side से जाता है. So this is only Baraita. This is not there in Silica. This is not there in Lycopodium. और जो छुप छुप के देखना है, it is very, very classical of Baraita Ka. You will see so many children with Baraita Ka जो छुप जाते हैं. वो छुपना अलग अलग तरीके से हो सकता है. वो छुपना वो टी-शर्ट के अंदर हो सकता है, या फर्नीचर के पीछे हो सकता है, या फिर looking down so that they are not very visible, or it can be the way he is hiding and looking. This is very characteristic कि छुपना और छुप छुप के देखना is only Baraita. Okay, so Baraita Ka 30 single dose was given. I think 3 doses were given. Yes, 3 doses were given. So I'll show you the follow-up now. कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है किसी को? ठीक है. Yes, that the point that Dr. Sanjay made here is very, very important. Our motto is to break the rubrics on which we have prescribed. That shyness, that that timidity, that clinging of furniture. If we see that those rubrics, those prescribing rubrics have been broken, मतलब वो नहीं है, then you understand that the medicine is right. Physical symptoms तो है ही, साथ में behavior, maybe you can see a change. Then you are very, very sure this child is under me since 6 months, and I think last week I gave him Baraita Ka 200 single dose. Only with that initial dose till date, till in 6 months, and with the rainy weather of Pune, he was absolutely fine. He had no episode of cold, cough, no acutes handled, absolutely not. One or twice he might have little wheezing, and then I told him that okay, you just wait, and it subsided on its own. Okay, so that was only given. So we really, if the medicine is right, you will see that we will not, no, obviously no hospitalization, anything, but you will see that we don't need a lot of doses. We don't need lot of repetition also. Okay, I'll explain a little bit of Baraita-Carb now. In Baraita-Carb, I have written everything, but I have not been able to make slide of what I have written. So Baraita-Carb mein jo major problem is, first of all, one caution is that whatever we see in a case, you don't get all 100 of it in a case. You can get part of that in a case, but you have to understand the journey of a remedy. So Baraita-Carb, the main ailment from in Baraita-Carb is parental protection excessive. What is parental protection? Nowadays parents, excessive protection, you can see it in the clinic also. Sometimes the parents are so cautious about the child कि गिरे ना, इसने खाया है क्या, या ठीक से बैठ जाए, या लग जाएगी, corner लग जाएगा, though the child is not small to get hurt, right? So ailments from, if you understand, the Baraita is not in domination, but it is in protection. So ailments from parental protection excessive, development of the children arrested. It can be seen in cases where the children are living with grandparents, and the grandparents does not, tell a lot to the children. Unko lagta hai chalta hai, parents bhi nahi hai, to wo bahut pamper karte hain. Sometimes in those cases, Baraita-Carb is in spineless. They need that protection. They are credulous. जो भी उनको protect कर रहा है, credulous मतलब जो easily believe कर देते हैं दूसरों की बातों पे, they will listen to the protector. Baraita-Carb children as well as an adult are very narrow-minded. मतलब restrictive view रहता है. Even in adults, you will see that Baraita-Carb adults will not, change their profession a lot, or will be very, very ambitious. They can be very, very good in whatever they are doing. For example, I am an electrician, so they can be very good in it, that part. But if you ask them little outside, they will not be able to tell. Okay, and protector can be anybody. You can see Baraita-Carb, female or a male can be dependent on their partner, or a child can be dependent on the mother, or grandparents are dependent. You'll see, some grandparents, it is used, as we have studied, in both extremes of ages, as well as in children and old age. But I have given it to a lot of teenagers also. So grandparents who are dependent on their grandparents who are dependent on their children. In adults, I'll give you a tip. When the adults come, and if you ask them to talk, you will see that they usually come with a companion. Bachcha to obviously parents ke saath aayega, but adults also, a teenage girl or a 30-year, hamesha companion lekar aayenge. And most of the time, what I have observed is the companion is talking and they are not talking. Okay, and when you ask them, I always tell, in first case also, not in the, I had shared one case of there also, if you ask them to talk, they become little conscious, and you say, you are a 20-year-old boy, you can talk, right? And Baraita-Carb usually doesn't have a lot of playing, playing aversion to play inability to play. They would rather sit down and watch others. Parents say कि यार ये garden लेके जाते हैं, बैठा रहता है, सब लोग बच्चे खेल रहे होते हैं. So they would rather sit and watch rather than play. There is a direct rubric like this. Okay, if you ask something out, ऐसा लगेगा कि वो even an adult कि वो एक track में बोल रहे हैं, जैसे लिख कर ले आएंगे या एक रट के बोल रहे हैं. And then if you ask them, they become confused, what I was talking. So they are not very ambitious, or they want that routine. So work routine desire is Baraita. Narrow-minded is Baraita. Fear strangers, fear unfamiliar surroundings, unfamiliar which is not known. Change aversion to, undertaking new enterprise difficult is Baraita. So they will not keep on changing the job, will not accept promotion because they have that confidence lack of, they will feel jo chal raha hai na wo acha chal raha hai. They are in a narrow field, they'll be good. जैसे अपना एक काम करना है, but managerial post जो रहती हैं जहाँ पे और लोगों को manage करना होता है, they are not very good at that. So if we किसी का वीडियो ऑडियो चालू है, please mute yourself. Absent-minded children, school children, this is singular of Baraita Carb. उनको लगता है they are why they are very shy and timid, and why they are hiding, because they feel that others are laughing at me. वो मेरे पे हंस रहे हैं. They are very, very conscious. So they hide looking at when, or behind the mother, or from the strangers. How will be the anger of Baraita Carb? And when they get angry, if you force them, ki baat karo, jao, then they can show that anger. Because of that, cowardice. So there is one rubric: anger sudden, cowardice with. Cowardice, anger with sudden fits of. अगर आप Baraita Carb बच्चे को या Baraita Carb adult को लोगों में mix होने के लिए force करोगे या stage पे आने के लिए force करोगे, so they can get really angry. Why? Because there is a coward, मतलब डरपोक है अंदर से. Where learning difficulties are very, very common in Baraita. So memory weakness, learned for what just he has. जो अभी अभी सीखा है वो भी memory में याद नहीं रहता. It is very good remedy for dyslexia children, reading difficulty for, and learning disabilities. Learn same thing again yet cannot be taught. मतलब मदर बोलेगी यार इसको एक ही बात मैं 10 बार पढ़ाती हूँ, 10 बार डिक्टेशन के वर्ड्स लिखवा दिए, फिर भी इसको याद नहीं होता. They don't want, they are very, very attached to the, attached बोलना चाहिए, या उनका obviously अपनी need है to the protectors. So they have anxiety others for. कौन others होंगे वो? Losing their protectors or familiar relations. Desire familiar surroundings. जो जान पहचान के लोग हैं, मम्मी पापा रिश्तेदार, वही चाहिए. Unobserving children. Sympathy, compassion, desire for studying in children. जब मम्मी डांटेगी कि यार पढ़ नहीं रहा, तेरे को 10 बार सिखा दिया मैंने ये बात. So what they said, प्यार से बोलो. So sympathy, compassion, desire for, मतलब sympathy से, तरस खा के बोलो यार मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है. And the way we study carcinosin, that responsibility early children in, the Baraita is opposite, responsibility late in children. मतलब पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं यार 20 साल का हो गया, अभी भी इतनी भी समझ नहीं है इसको, So that is कि अपनी चीज जगह पे रख ले, या अपनी इतनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो होनी चाहिए कि अपना खाना या अपने को देख लो, या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टुवर्ड्स एनीबॉडी. सो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेट चिल्ड्रन इन इज ओनली Baraita. Okay, tell some more rubrics. Dwarfishness is there in Baraita, like an adult playing with dolls. Abhi I'll give you one example. Abhi choti ladki aayi, 5 years, and playing desire to play dolls with. There are only 2 remedies, Pulsatilla and Baraita Carb. But we don't have to take, which is very common, everyone, obviously maximum 90% of the girls at the age of 5, 6, 7 will like to play with dolls. Don't take it then. When it is uncommon, a boy playing with a doll, or they have really grown 11, 12, now my daughter doesn't play with dolls. So if they have grown out of that age and they are still playing with those dolls, then you have to take it. Pulsatilla क्यों खेलती है और Baraita क्यों खेलता है? The difference is different. Pulsatilla is mild, yielding, they, nazuk, they like that affection, so they play with dolls. Baraita is not able to play with other people, not able to mix with others, so the Baraita may dwarfishness, and then they play with dolls. So timid, awkward, biting nails, clinging to mother, furniture, hiding himself, unobserving. They can be very tidy in their appearance, very proper. Mother fixation, or the fixation to anybody on whom they are dependent. So what are the delusions in Baraita? That log un pe has rahe hain, laughed at, mocked at being, criticized being, body ugly, forgetful he is, forsaken he is. सब लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं, people are looking at him, and they become very conscious. Playing aversion to play, children in sits in corners. So this is a faint idea of Baraita. I hope it is helpful. How will we differentiate Baraita, calcarea, carbon, silica, and LICO? Oh my God, so many remedies. See, Baraita में inability होती है, calcarea में inability नहीं है. I'll tell you. Calcarea Carb wants protection from any kind of external threat, whereas in Baraita Carb, they feel that they are incapable, they are small, they are incapable. So they are basically dependent on others, not able to take his own responsibility, delusion, leg cut off. Whereas in problem of Calcarea Carb is not responsibility, but fear of infection, fear of surgery, fear of dark, fear of death. Okay, so Baraita में एक basic incapability है जो Calcarea काम में नहीं है. Lycopodium is different. Lycopodium is.
Dr. Ruchi, you are not audible.
I am not audible.
No.
No, clearly audible. No
He
problem.
is audible.
You are.
Okay.
Please check
Silica
your
में
net. Please check your
capacity
net.
है. सिलिका में कैपेसिटी है, बट सिलिका को सिर्फ सपोर्ट लगता है. यू नो, पेरेंट्स बोलेंगे अरे तू कर पाएगी, एंड द सिलिका इज एबल टू डू इट. All four remedies are very, very different. Baraita calcarea becomes very close, but you can easily differentiate because the lyco में manipulativeness है, lyco में behavioral problems के लिए lyco दी जाती है. Lyco में भी timidity है, timidity appearing in public, timidity talk in public. उनको बोलो stage पे बोलो या लोगों के सामने बोलो तो नहीं बोलेंगे. Taciturnity, mutism है, कई बार एकदम चुप हो जाएंगे. पर अगर आप उनके पेरेंट्स से पूछेंगे तो वो पेरेंट्स बताएंगे घर पे बहुत शैतानी करता है. He is a totally different person है, पर आप घर पे देख लो मारता है या इतना तंग करता है. तो behavior problems children in good at outside but not in school, ऐसे एक rubric है कुछ तो. So that you can differentiate. Lyco में basically incapable, lyco उल्टा है timidity but capable. You know, but they are capable of doing. Once they start talking, once they start handling, they can. Fishing aptitude. So that aptitude is there. Whereas in Baraita, it is lacking. Okay. Anything else? So if you understand the journey, if you understand all the rubrics in totality, you will be able to understand a remedy. And in pediatric cases, don't take individual rubric. Like one said, agaricus, I think Archana said, because I showed a case of agaricus earlier where the child was looking down when looked at. But there has to be other things of agaricus, you know, that impulse to do reckless things or danger, runs in dangerous places or something else. So other corners should also match. One rubric and you give is very, very rare. If it is in that case, that rubric should be the core of the case. You know, यही है बस इसकी पूरी case का जो center है वो यही है. Then you can give it on single rubrics. Otherwise, try to join the dots that you see in a case, and then you form a remedy. For example, in this case, timidity, hiding, you know, looking when he's hiding. We can take this rubric, hiding his face and then looking in between the fingers, because that is what he's doing. It should not be actual that, but that is what he's doing. And with this clinging to furniture, Baraita is the only remedy, and then it is clear and there'll be less of confusion then. Otherwise, there are so many things, and with each rubric, you will come to another remedy and it will cause more confusion. So try to join all the dots in a case and then select a remedy. I think we are done. Any questions? We can take that, or any feedback? Or if anybody wants to add, Sir, Aap, Prateek or Sanjay, if anybody wants to add anything.
मैं बोलूं या कोई
हाँ,
क्वेश्चन है?
हाँ बोलिए.
हाँ ठीक है.
नहीं सर, आप बोलिए सर.
Thank you, Sanjay. Any other questions? We can take that, or otherwise. Sir, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, I am speechless.